Hi, I'm Janine Butters and I'm the CEO from Brackley Town Football Club. The feedback on the actual field has been absolutely amazing. We've had some great testimonials already over the last few weeks.
So my name's Andy Thompson and I look after all of the juniors here at the Brackley Town Football Club. Premier Pro Elite pitch we've had in now for about 6 weeks. We really like the pitch because it's much more natural than what a 3G pitch gives you. The roll of the ball, the bounce of the ball, pitch is a lot quicker than what an older 3G pitch is. So that will enable our players to become better and develop over time.
Basically, by having a great all-weather pitch like the one that we have, it's one of the best around in our community, so everybody wants to get onto it.
Right now we've got our walking footballers playing up there. We're running a holiday club at the moment, and then we have our juniors that they train on there every single night. Our first team train on there twice a week. We have a local church group that plays on there, and then we have a number of other local junior football clubs that train on there as well.
Our future plans for the pitch is to increase the daytime activity a little more. It's used very much so in the evenings, but we want to develop our relationships with our local businesses and put on more community programmes for the younger and the elderly.